Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio, and welcome to my great spring granny challenge. You vote for the motif and then I prepared a video tutorial for the winners, and today I prepared a video tutorial for a lucky clover leaf. I crochet with the yarn Tera, but for the clover leaf I chose yarn Papatia Parrot. I will crochet with the crochet hook 3 mm. You will need a pair of scissors, sewing needle and 4 stitch markers. I will start with a magic ring and then chain 3, which is the first double crochet. Then work 2 double crochet stitches into the magic ring and chain 2. And this is a first granny group. Then make 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring, which is the second granny group, chain 2 and repeat this 2 times. So make 3 double crochet group, chain 2 and the last 3 double crochets into the magic ring, 1, 2 and 3. Perfect. Then close the magic ring, tight the end as much as you can, chain 2 and close the round with a slip stitch placed in the third chain from the very beginning. Perfect. So we have 4 groups, and now make chain 3, which is first double crochet, and work 2 more double crochet stitches into the first stitch. So 3 double crochets at the beginning, then 1 double crochet in the middle stitch, and then 3 double crochet stitches in the third stitch. So we have 3 at the beginning, 1 in the middle and 3 in the last stitch. Altogether there are 7 stitches. Chain 2 and let's move to the second group and repeat it. Make 3 doubles into the first stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 1 double crochet in the middle and 3 double crochet stitches into the last stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Perfect. And this is the second group, which consists of 7 stitches, and we will chain 2 and continue crocheting. Then close the round with a slip stitch and make chain 1 and then single crochet. Work in front loops only. So single crochet into the first stitch and 5 double crochet stitches in the second stitch. Work in the front loop and make 5 doubles, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then skip the next stitch and in the middle stitch make a single crochet. Still work in front loops. Perfect. Skip 1 stitch and make 5 double crochet stitches into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then single crochet into the last stitch. Perfect. The first part is finished And now let's make slip stitches, working from the top down towards the magic ring, and make 3 slip stitches into each last double crochet. Continue crocheting till you reach the magic ring, then make a slip stitch into the magic ring between the groups of double crochet stitches, and continue crocheting from the bottom up and make slip stitches into last double crochet stitches in the row. Make 3 slip stitches into each stitch, work from the magic ring to the top. Perfect. And we created a nice edge around the leaves. Then chain 1 and let's make a single crochet into the front loop, and then 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in the middle stitch, skip 1 stitch and make 5 double crochets in the next stitch, 5 doubles, and finish your crocheting with a single crochet into the last stitch, and then make a slip stitch border along the leaf, working from the top down to the magic ring and then back along the side of the next leaf. Okay, it will create a beautiful edge and also the 3D effect of the leaves. Okay, this is it. Finish the round with a slip stitch, cut the yarn and fasten off, rejoin the yarn into the chain space. As you can see, there are back loops, 7 stitches and chain 2 spaces between them. I start working into the chain space. Let's make a chain and single crochet around the chain. Okay, single crochet, and then you will make into next 7 stitches. Start working with single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then make increase in the middle stitch, 1 and 2, and then single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and then work into the chain space, make single crochet, then chain 2 and single crochet in the same chain space. Okay, chain 2, this will be the corner. Okay, and then continue crocheting, 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, then increase in the middle stitch, 1, 2 and single crochet in next 3 stitches. and then you will make the corner, single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet in chain space. Okay, so you can continue crocheting, and I will meet you at the end of the round. Now we are working in back loops and working on the back side. Then we will change the sides and continue crocheting on the right side. Okay, so finish the round with a half double crochet placed on the top of the first stitch, then chain 3 and turn your work and make double crochet in chain 2 space, and this will be the corner stitch. 2 doubles, 2 chains and 2 doubles. This is what you will make in each chain 2 space. 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles. Okay, perfect. And then it's easy, make 1 double crochet in each stitch till you reach the chain space. So you will make 10 stitches. Okay, 10 double crochets till you reach the chain 2 space. And once you reach the corner, you will crochet a corner stitch, which is always the same. 2 doubles, chain 2 and 2 doubles. Okay, so here I am. So 2 doubles, chain 2 and 2 doubles, and then 1 double crochet into each stitch, 1 double crochet in each, and corner stitch into the corner stitch. And you can make more rows with double crochet stitches, still increase in the corners. I will make 1 more round. So close the round with a slip stitch, chain 3 and double crochet into the next stitch. Now there is the corner space, so make 2 doubles, chain 2 and 2 doubles. This is it, guys. It's super easy. Continue crocheting around the sides, increase into the corners, and your lucky clover will be finished really soon. So this is it. Make an invisible join or a slip stitch. I love to finish granny square with the invisible join, but what you prefer, whatever method you prefer, and hide the ends, and we are done. So guys, this is it. This is the end of my video tutorial. It's very quick and super easy. Let's measure. The side has 12 centimeters, and yeah, this is the 7th motif for my spring granny pillow cover. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. So guys, wish you very happy crocheting. Take care and see you soon with the next video tutorial. Bye bye.